Guys, today we are at Macpherson Spring to show you a 4-room HDB flat that just turned MOP. This unit has been renovated a couple of years ago at 60,000 renovation and is suited for those who love to entertain. So if you are looking to start a family yet wish to save on renovation, this may be the one for you. Let's go. Welcome into the space. As you enter in, you'll be able to see that the owner has actually spent quite a lot of money on the renovations because over here, the owners prefer to have the house neat and tidy. So they created a lot more cabinet space. So if you are someone that has OCD, this will be a perfect house. And right behind the shoe cabinet will be the storeroom. And from the side, you're able to see that the owners actually pushed out the cabinetry slightly without sacrificing the walking space. And over here, you see even more storage spaces. And owner also installed window grills already. So the brand new units didn't come with any window grills. Owner spent the money to do it so that you don't have to. Right here, you have sufficient space to put a 3-seater sofa. Flooring is actually vinyl floor. Owner specially mentioned that they got it as a bare unit. They smoothed the floor with the concrete before they actually lay over the vinyl floor. Therefore, this vinyl floor is built to last. It will not likely to warp over time. For those that love to entertain, you'll be in for a treat because this kitchen has been designed such that you can still maintain visual contact with the guests outside while you're doing your preparation and whatnot. And if you're really cooking, right, down here there's a glass door for you to close it up. And I love the fact that there are two sides of the cabinet space. Owner has also spent money to install the bloom system, and all the door hinges and cabinet hinges are soft closing. Owner, when they move in, they already had plans to have children, and therefore this is an induction cooker that is safe for our kids. Yeah, the standard size, they installed the Saigon clothes dryer as well so that you're not limited to the weather when it comes to doing your laundry. Now let's go check out the rooms. And earlier on during the start of the video, I mentioned that if you love entertaining, you will love this house. Why? Because this is actually a movable sliding panel. Before the owner had kids, this was perpetually open so that they can actually host a mahjong party over here while the guys can be having their beer and the kids can be watching their TV. So over here, currently owner uses it as a nursery, but for those that currently already have kids, not to worry because I came here before at night while the kids are sleeping and I spoke pretty loudly, but the kids didn't wake up, so the sound insulation was already done very well. This unit actually comes with 2 aircon compressors. Now with 2 compressors in place, you won't have to worry about the lack of power or lack of aircon. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. Once you enter the master bedroom, you realize that the flooring is of a different color tone and the unit itself is actually fully renovated. You see 2 workstations over here and also full stretch of cabinet space, and one of them even has catered for your long dresses as well. And for the ladies, this will be the dressing area. I don't want to quote my owner's height. Yeah, but she said this one is catered for short people lah. And once you enter through, right, this will be the unique design. For those people that prefer to have 3 bedrooms intact, you basically just need to open the door over here. Currently it's a drywall and you seal up this wall over here to convert this back into a common bedroom. Even small little thoughts like the reading light for both sides are actually of different power source. So one of you can be doing your reading and your partner can still be taking their beauty rest. Personally, I would think that this can still be a nursery / study / walk-in wardrobe. Oh, before I forget, there's also a sliding door over here. So when you need privacy, you can always close it. Let's go check out the master bedroom toilet. I love this toilet because over here, the owner has actually flushed the wall. There is a big column over here and the column actually ends on this side. However, the owner flushed the wall to create a niche. This design, I love it because it looks very neat. Not to mention there's also a lot more storage over here for your cleaning supplies, for your tissue paper, for your toilet paper and whatnot. So look at this house. It's so neat and tidy. It's perfect for OCD people. Now, let's talk about the location. Connectivity and convenience is the key highlight of this unit. It's just barely 3 minutes walk to Macpherson MRT station, whereby you can access downtown line and the circle line. And at the same time, you have a 24 hours coffee shop downstairs. Any time of the day, if you're hungry, you can always pop downstairs 1 minute and you get all your food options. Not to forget that there's also one more cluster of BTO right beside that will introduce a brand new coffee shop, a supermarket, and more than 20 individual shops whereby you can satisfy your daily necessities. For those that are driving, KPE and PIE are easily accessible, making your daily commute a breeze. For those who have school-going kids, you'll be delighted to know that there are 3 primary schools within 1 km, namely Canossa Catholic Primary School, St. Margaret's Primary School, Geylang Methodist School. And within 2 km, we have renowned schools like Gonghua School and also Maha Bodhi School. So if you are alumni for one of these schools, you'll be in for a treat. So that's all we have for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and to schedule for exclusive viewing, drop us a message and my team will be assisting you. As usual, like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bell because we post weekly real estate videos like this. With that, wish you all the best, happy house hunting, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye!